So some Nigerians are doubting what I said when I said you can start making money online on YouTube immediately without waiting for YouTube partner program qualification, 3,000, 4,000 watch hours or 1,000 subscribers. Some of you are doubting it. In fact, let me read this comment to you. No Nigerian will find a way to make money and tell other Nigerians unless he benefits from it. So I don't believe you. I like your page, but not this info. I want to say seriously, Michael Ahungwa. I hope I got your name well. I don't blame you. Like I said in my response to you, you do not know me. You've just seen me online. You do not know me well. So I will excuse your doubt. Yes. You do not know me well, so I will excuse your doubt. But like I said in my reply to you, if you need it, because I know that not everybody needs to make money online. Some of you are already doing very, very well. If you are already doing very, very well, you have a very good source of income, or you have multiple sources or streams of passive income. If you're doing very, very well, the message is not for you. It's not. But if you need it, if you need to earn that extra money, even if you are employed, I will advise that you try it. You do not need to believe me to try it. In fact, you can try it out of your doubt. I can understand why you would doubt. Because this is Nigeria. There are so many scammers out there. So I understand. And the point that you made, you said, let me get it. No Nigerian will find a way to make money and tell other Nigerians unless he benefits from it. Michael, you are right. Of course I benefit from it, or I will benefit from it. It's going to be a collaboration. Maybe you didn't hear my motivation for doing this. I stumbled on it. I am a businessman. I'm an ICT consultant. I have my sources of income. And I got into YouTube out of passion to participate in the 2023 presidential election. That was why I got into YouTube. So I stumbled into it. But it was good. I mean, it was really, really good to get $2,100 into my domiciliary account at the end of the month. It was wonderful, $2,100. And it's not like I get so many views. If you check my channels, I don't get so much views. So imagine what all these people who get millions of views, how much money they will be making. And that is why I said, let me share. Because number one, it is not my main source of income. I am just surprised at how much money I'm making. If 1,000 Nigerians are making $1,000 from YouTube every month, do you know the impact it will have in their lives? And it doesn't disturb me from making my own money. It doesn't. That's the beautiful thing. So, will I benefit? Of course, I will benefit. The number one benefit I will have is the joy that I helped people to be financially empowered. That joy, you cannot take it away. Those who know me will tell you. Unfortunately, you probably are just hearing about me on social media. But those who know me will tell you, it is something I love to do. I love to help. So the first benefit I will get is the joy that I helped to empower somebody financially. That's the number one joy. The number two joy is that, and I stated it in my video, we will have people who will then use their financial empowerment to join us in our task to rebuild Nigeria. Remember, this whole making money online thing, it is not the destination. It is the starting point. How many of us can make money online? It is not every Nigerian that can make money online. That's the truth. It is not every Nigerian. But the big opportunity there is this. Not many Nigerians are taking advantage of it. They are not seizing the opportunity. So for those of you that can seize the opportunity, I am encouraging you to seize it. So it is not the destination, it is the starting point. Ultimately, and I mentioned it in that video, we are moving into agriculture, into software, into steel and fabrication technologies, into semiconductor technologies. These are the things that will ultimately explode the job market for Nigerians. But those will require government backing. And that is why I am saying this Make Money Online is a starting point. We started a group. There are people who are working with us already who want to create a new Nigeria, starting with the political party. They agree with us that the starting point to fix Nigeria and make Nigeria work for everybody is to fix the problem from the political party. But you see, and I said it, I discovered that most of the time, the people that are in that group, they are not financially empowered. And that is why I am doing this. This I am doing, I'm also extending to those people so that they can be financially empowered. You would be shocked at how broke people are. And you are asking a broke person to come and join you in a political journey to fix Nigeria. It is going to be hard. And that is why it is important that we empower them financially. That is the second benefit that I'm getting from this. And I want you to understand, Michael, YouTube is collaboration. Perhaps you did not see the video where I used the illustration of the highest earning YouTube creator, Mr. Beast. He's not bothered about competition. It is about collaboration. And that is one of the core principles that this method I'm talking about will show to you. Collaboration. When we collaborate, we can all benefit. That is the third benefit for me. Collaboration. You get people that you can collaborate with. Yes, so will I benefit? I will benefit, and the benefits are good, right? But the question you should be asking is, will you benefit? Is what I am saying true? And you don't even need to believe that it is true because you said, oh, you like my channel, but you don't believe this info. You don't have to believe it. Like I said earlier, if you need it, my brother, try it. You have nothing to lose. I have said it. If you do as I show you in this method and you don't make money, call me out on social media. It's a challenge. Call me out. And I tell you, I'll throw this in. If you do as I tell you and you are diligent enough and you're posting every day and you do not make $1,000 in a month, I will give you $1,000. That is how sure I am. Because the market is still fresh. It's untapped. You just need a little push to start. There's another comment I would reply to later. Let me even see if I can get it. In fact, let me play it to you. It says, I received this challenge. I am a lecturer, but I am broke. I am a fan of your page. Whenever I get a result, I will join you. I am in. Thank you so much. There are so many people who know, they know that there's money in this YouTube, there's money on Facebook, there's money online. But just starting, that's the problem. It's overwhelming how to just start. And that is one benefit you will get by joining this program. We get to hold your hands, we get to guide you, we get to push you. The number one problem people have is procrastination. Because It will appear to be very inundating, overwhelming to start. But once you can just start, you will find out that the journey becomes easier and easier as you go. Yes. So please, don't take my word for it. Doubt me. In fact, it helps me if you doubt me. So I challenge you. Try it. If it doesn't work, call me out. But if it works, you must promise me, like that lecturer, that you will join us to form this abundance party so that we can create the Nigeria that we need. That is my benefit. If I won't benefit, why should I show you in the first place? So you are right. And that is why I say I will not criticize you. You're right. I will benefit. And the benefit is just what I've told you. But what you should bother very seriously on is, will it benefit you? So if you will need it, if you're one of those people that need it, if you don't need it, no problem. But if you need it, my brother, again I say, try it.